Grass Valley, many residents there are still digging out from the snow. So here is Bridget on how this area got hit especially hard.
Grass Valley has already seen 2 feet of snow with much more on the way, weighing down rooftops, which run the risk of caving in, which is exactly what happened to this home here with a metal roof on its side. Rescues like this one, with Nevada County first responders teaming up to bring people trapped in the snow to safety. The area getting hit hard by a recent snowstorm, and some neighborhoods are still struggling to dig out. Thousands spending days in the dark as they clean up the storm damage, and officials warn the worst could still be ahead.
More trees are going to be impacted, more power lines are going to come down.
Nearly 11,000 people remain without power here in Nevada County, with officials warning of possibly more outages on the way as snow returns this weekend.
The last 2 years we've had some major snowstorms. This thing has survived. It did have some major hits. So what we're doing here is replacing a slip T where the pipe broke. We're going to be cutting out a small section of the pipe there and replacing it with a standard T to make that change and repair. Going over here, we had some of the ribs get compromised. As you can see, they get bent a little bit with major heavy snow loads. We had like 3 to 4 feet here at the location, Nevada County, California, the last 2 years. So what we did is we took a section out, the compromised section, and put a coupling, allowing us to be back in business without tearing the whole design down. Unlike metal, which it gets compromised, it's extremely hard to rebuild and get back to the standard that you were before. So let's make that happen and enjoy the video. Before we get too far in this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so more people can see this video and you don't miss any new content. All right, we've cut off 2 sections right here, pulling off the compromised slip T. There you go. We've unscrewed the snap cross, got it out of the way for now. And we're going to connect the standard T. All right, now that I saw it fits good, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue in there since it's been compromised. You could use glue as you see here, or you could also use screws as another option. All right, we finished the repair. We're going to use snap clamps to secure it on. For the portion that ripped, we're going to go ahead and use duct tape to do a temporary repair. This is a 2.5-year-old tarp, almost due for a repair completely, or a replacement rather. So we're going to go ahead and just mend it, put some tape on it, and hopefully make it through the winter. If you want to watch the full video of how to build this design, go to our YouTube channel at Circo Innovations. Go to the video that says how to build a PVC heavy-duty greenhouse / carport quick version. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, if you want to purchase any of our items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.